Hi everyone, this is Jennifer. I'm gonna discuss my research in this video today. My research topic is about drugs and human memory, and my thesis statement is memory impairment is significantly affected by the use of drugs. There will be 4 main points covered in my essay. I'm gonna talk about each of those main points and explain the main idea that I will discuss in each main point. The first main point is the introduction of memory. For sure, memory is very important to us, and everything in life is memory. Memory is a crucial and sustainable mental function that shapes our existence. In addition, memory to bringing learning facts and ideas back to mind affects our behavior in an unconscious way. If we lose memory, we lose the connection to ourselves and with others, and the life wide of its anxious. Also, we will without the ability to record and recall information. All other cognitive would be meaningless or impossible. Classification of memory system will be the second main point. It includes memory system and memory progresses. The memory system contains short-term memory and long-term memory. The short-term memory lasts seconds. By contrast, long-term memory can last weeks, months, or even a lifetime, and involves reaching back into past. Moreover, the short-term memory is temporarily store the information, and it receives information from sensory registers such as visual, auditory, and gustatory, but it has limited capacity. Long-term memory is used as a permanent store, and in which information may be maintained indefinitely. Also, it has unlimited capacity and a slower rate of forgetting. Moreover, there will 5 types of long-term memory. The first one is episodic memory. Memory for particular times and places. The second is thematic memory. Memory for meanings and general facts. The third is producery memory. Memory for perceptual, motor, and cognitive skills. The fourth is the explicit memory. It's also called declarative memory. Memory for events, facts, and ideas. The fifth is the implicit memory. It's also called non-declarative memory. It enhances processing of stimulus that has been presented before. Next, let's move on to memory process. Encoding in the process of converting sensory stimuli into a format that can be placed in memory. Consolidation is a process of forming a long record of what has been acquired. Retrieval is a process of bringing information out of storage to be recorded. The third main point is the overview of memory impairing drugs. Third types of drugs will impair memory system. For example, nitric oxide, anesthetics, and scopolamine. Using nitric oxide produced temporary amnesia by impairing the ability to store new information. Using anesthetic cause legal difficulties arising from not recording one's actions. It also reduces learning and memory of information. Using scopolamine produces mild impairment of limited record and interfere with the storage process. The first main point is benzodiazepines effect on memory. It most commonly used in drugs today. Using benzodiazepines will delay recall and impair the consolidation of new information into long-term memory storage. Further, the impairs of variety of motor functions causes users feeling of sedation. Even more, it impairs thematic memory, cause increase of erroneous responses. Again, taking benzodiazepines will impair the primacy and middle position recall. Drug-induced amnesia could impair day-to-day functions. Besides, I would like to talk about effects of single dose of benzodiazepines and repeated dose of benzodiazepines. Single dose will cause people often poorly remembered. Repeated dose may aggravate memory impairment. The drug and its active metabolites accumulate in the body. Lastly, benzodiazepines affect performance, like the less meaningful the material to be remembered. The larger the impairment and words cannot easily be associated in meaningful ways. That's all the information that I would like to discuss. Thank you.